So we're going to finish our notes. So I'm going to do 17 and 19, and then you're going to finish the rest of the green sheet by yourself if you're ready for it. So 17 through 20, our directions say give us the perimeter. Keyword perimeter, remember you add up all sides. So I'm going to write my expression, 2x plus 1 plus x plus 3x. And remember, I'm going to combine my like terms. So I have 2x, x, and 3x. So remember, there's really a secret 1 outside. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6x. And then I have, oh, poor 1 all by himself. All right, so we're going to combine our like terms over here. And we know we have a rectangle, so I know my opposite sides are congruent. So this would have to be y plus 2. This would be 3y minus 5. And then I want to combine my like terms. So I'm going to combine all my y's. And for those of you that like to go a little less work, we can look here. So let's add our y's. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8y. And now I have to add my constants. So I have 2 and 2, that's 4. And then plus -5 plus -5 would be -6. And we can't put a label with anything because we have our unknowns. Very rarely is it going to have like inches or anything. All right, so on the green sheet, you're going to finish this side. And then don't forget the front too. Okay, flip over to our next page, which you have in your notebook. And we're going to do the distributive property. So remember, with the distributive property, we have to remember that whatever is outside, we multiply. So this would turn to AB plus AC, or AB minus AC. Okay, so I'm going to jump around and do a couple and then kind of let you loose. So our first one, we're going to have 7x plus 7 times 4 is 28. All right. -5 times m, -5m. Now we're taking a negative times a positive, or sorry, a negative would make a positive 10. Now we're going to take -4 times -1. That'd be positive 4w. And then -4 times -10, positive 40. 3m plus m, so this is just going to turn to 3m plus 3n. All right, now over here, it gets a little bit more complicated. We have our letters and multiplying. So we're going to do 6ab plus 6ac. Try to get in the habit of writing your letters the way the alphabetical order is. All right, so now we got a fraction, not too crazy. So we're going to find a fourth of 8, which is 2x, and a fourth of -4 is -1. All right, so let's go over here. 1/6 times 3/5 is going to be 3/30, which we're going to simplify to 1/10. And then a 6 of 18 is 3. Let's go up here. We'll have 2x minus 2y plus 16. Remember, make sure everybody gets multiplied. 11, we're going to have xy plus 4x. And we'd have 10m minus 15. And over here, we're taking a negative. Really, it's telling us to do the opposite of everything inside. So we're going to have -y plus 9. All right, so you're going to finish the top part. And then down here is really where you see the most. Distribute and combine. So simplify an expression. You want to do the distribute first if needed. Sometimes you don't have to distribute, then combine like terms. So distribute, then combine. So we're going to distribute. So I have 16x minus 24 minus 6x. And then I'm going to combine. That's going to be 10x minus 24. All right, so I'm going to distribute here. Remember this, I'm distributing a negative. So it'd be 10, just like the problem up here. So it'd be -y plus 6 minus y. I don't do the opposite here because that's not in the parentheses. And then I'm going to combine my like terms. Negative y and negative y make negative 2y. 10 plus 6 is 16. All right. Now we've got a fraction. So, help if I can see this. So 9/4 times 10/3. I'm going to get 15 seconds. X. 9/4 times -4. I'll get -9. 1/4 times 2. We're going to get 1/2 x. And -1/4 times -8, get positive 2. All right, now we're going to combine our like terms. So 15-second x plus -1/2 x, really we would get 14 over 2x, which is just 7x. -9 plus 2, and we're going to get -7. All right, so the fraction's a little harder, but not too difficult. All right, so you're going to finish what's left on your orange sheet for homework. All right, I'll see you in class.